Hello everyone, and in this video I will tell you about Aarti Industries. What this share is all about and how can you earn profits in this share. So on Friday the share closed at a price of 1061, and if you see the price of this share in last 5 days, it is decreasing. Last 1 month it has increased in spite the fact that there is an outbreak of coronavirus. In last 6 months you can see the price is increasing. So what can we infer from this information? So we can infer that this share is doing great and the company is also doing great in the time of coronavirus, and some analysts are suggesting that this share is going to increase much higher than these levels at present. So I think you can invest in this share not by my advice but after looking after its financials in the current quarter, or you can see for the last financial years what how this share has performed or how this company has performed. So now I will show you its financial in the last financial year. So here you can see profit and loss statement of Aarti Industry. You can see the turnover in 2019 has increased as compared to 2018. In 2018 the turnover was around 3600 700 crores, and in 2019 it has become 4500 crores. So the turnover has increased. Now I will show you how the profits has increased. You can see the profit in March financial year, March 2018 and 17 financial year, profit was 316 crore, and to the 19 the profit has increased to 481 crore. So the company is performing well. We can infer from this financial data. And if I uh, tell you about its reserves, you can see the reserve of this company in 2018 financial year was 1400 crores, and in 2019 financial year has increased to 2500 crore. So the company is doing great and it is reserving money for future investments, and the net worth of the company you can see has also increased. So you can invest in this company to gain profits.